Andersen 3-point locking system troubleshooting. Expert tips. To troubleshoot an Andersen 3-point locking system, first check for alignment issues. Ensure all parts move smoothly without obstruction. Andersen 3-point locking systems provide enhanced security for doors. While reliable, these systems can occasionally present issues requiring troubleshooting. Misalignment or debris in the locking mechanism often causes problems. Regular maintenance helps prevent these issues. Checking for worn or damaged parts is crucial. Lubrication of moving parts ensures smooth operation. Properly installed locks enhance security and functionality. Addressing minor issues promptly prevents major malfunctions. With a few basic steps, homeowners can keep their Andersen 3-point locking system in optimal condition. Always refer to the manufacturer's manual for specific instructions. Introduction to Andersen 3-point locking system. The Andersen 3-point locking system ensures your door is secure. This system offers enhanced protection against break-ins and provides peace of mind for homeowners. Knowing how it works can help you troubleshoot issues effectively. 1. What is a 3-point locking system? 2. Benefits of using Andersen locks. Common issues with Andersen locks. Andersen 3-point locking systems are known for their reliability, but users may encounter some common issues. These problems can affect door security and functionality. Let's explore these common issues. 1. Lock jamming. 2. Misalignment problems. Andersen 3-point locking system tools required for troubleshooting. When troubleshooting the Andersen 3-point locking system, having the right tools is crucial. This guide will help you gather both essential and optional tools to make the process easier. 1. Essential tools. 2. Optional tools for advanced fixes. Andersen 3-point locking system, step-by-step troubleshooting guide. Having trouble with your Andersen 3-point locking system? This guide will help. Follow these steps to troubleshoot common issues and ensure your lock works smoothly again. 1. Initial inspection. 2. Fixing lock jamming. 3. Adjusting misaligned locks. Andersen 3-point locking system maintenance tips for longevity. To ensure the Andersen 3-point locking system operates smoothly, regular maintenance is key. Proper care can extend the lifespan of your locking system. This guide covers essential maintenance tips for longevity. 1. Regular cleaning. 2. Lubrication tips. Andersen 3-point locking system when to seek professional help. Navigating issues with your Andersen 3-point locking system can be tricky. While some problems are simple, others require professional expertise. Knowing when to call for help is crucial. 1. Identifying complex issues. 2. Finding a qualified locksmith. Andersen 3-point locking system DIY versus professional repair. Troubleshooting the Andersen 3-point locking system can be tricky. Should you fix it yourself or call a professional? This guide helps you decide. 1. Pros and cons of DIY. 2. Benefits of hiring professionals. Frequently asked questions about Andersen 3-point locking system. Why won't my Andersen 3-point lock engage? The lock might be misaligned. Check if the door is properly adjusted. How do I adjust the lock strike plate? Loosen the screws, move the strike plate slightly, and retighten. What causes a stiff Andersen lock handle? Dirt and debris can cause stiffness. Clean the lock mechanism thoroughly. Why is my Andersen lock not unlocking? Check for obstructions or damage in the lock mechanism and handle. How can I lubricate my Andersen 3-point lock? Use a silicone-based lubricant. Apply it to the moving parts of the lock. Conclusion about Andersen 3-point locking system. Troubleshooting the Andersen 3-point locking system can save time and frustration. Follow the steps provided to diagnose issues. Regular maintenance ensures longevity and smooth operation. Always consult a professional if problems persist. Keeping your locking system in top shape enhances home security and peace of mind.
If you want to know more details, then you can visit HelloTroubleshooting.com.